Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Lee
and Melissa.
Boof's replacement. Today Melissa decided that we had to go to IKEA, and I went, oh darn shucks. So off to IKEA we ran, and she bought something.
I purchased a bookshelf that we are going to put together. However, we're going to repurpose it into more of a TV stand by adding some legs, potentially something to brace the, what do you call that?
TV?
The TV mount. Of course, we haven't put it together yet, so we like to change up our plans as we go. So we'll see how that goes.
I'll insert a photo of what it originally looks like at IKEA, which shows you that it's vertical. We're going to make it more of a landscape tile item if everything works out accordingly, and God willing the instructions are good, because we've already found out that the box said in Swedish that it should be 2 people to lift it, and we've already messed up. So
yeah, we can't read Swedish though, so like these are Swedish guys carrying it, and we're obviously not Swedish, so we didn't follow those directions.
Thank goodness Melissa carried it, not me, so.
You carried the heavier box.
Well, you know, I did that because you're older than me, and I just wanted to. Ow! Our first step is to find the instructions. She's not off to a very good start. Please note, my box is already open, and somebody over there is shredding theirs like it's cat litter.
I'm entertaining the dog. Stop it.
You're entertaining the viewers too with your ass in the air.
Hey, you know what? And they like it. Hey, I'll get more views on this video.
Woohoo! Getting more views because Melissa's ass is in there.
Well, it looks like you can read them in English, Deutsch, French, Netherlands, Dansk, Norsk, Swami, Svanska, Chesky, and all bunch of other ones that I'm not going to know.
I'm pretty sure the Swami is the one we'll be reading.
Or also there are no words. It's just pictures.
Oh, my favorite.
Oh, more Swedish guys. These are for you.
Look at them. Aren't they adorable? These guys, not so smart Swedish guys. These guys, smart Swedish guys. Smart, not smart. Yeah. Swedish guys. Let's get tools.
Let's get tools. What do we need?
Power saw.
No, we don't need a power saw. All it has is
Skill saw?
it has wooden pegs. Maybe a rubber mallet. So
Dang
I'm
it.
gonna get out
Let me
here.
look at anything fun.
Pretty sure it's a rubber mallet. It shows pictures. The Swedish guys on here, they say we need screwdrivers, a pencil, and a level. Yeah, that's all we need.
It's like she doesn't even need me. It's like I'm here for nothing. I'm just a pretty face wielding a rubber mallet. Is there something you want to say, Peanut Gallery?
Pickles, where are you at, buddy? I think your mama's talking to you.
You know what? I'm about to kick her ass out of my living room.
I guess we'll be ending this video now. Totally mine.
Where is she going? Doesn't she know we need pegs in the next section? Clearly we need pegs in the next section if we're going to attach another board to it. See? Now folks, I have to be the beauty and the brawn and the brains. I mean, I am seriously...
Shit is getting deep.
Don't listen to them, I'm an all-in-one package right here. All-in-one package.
Go out to the garage and get the shovel.
See, no respect. No respect.
I feel like that was...
I'm like Rodney Dangerfield. I'm like, no respect.
I feel like this is workplace violence.
Workplace. You're in my house.
I know, working, and you're hitting me.
On your piece of furniture. That goes in there. I gotta do everything. And then the peanut gallery that's off frame, all hiding incognito, trying to be funny over there clearing her throat. Peanut gallery. Work it, Melissa. Work it. Work it, girl. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Look, she's like the tiniest little midget doing pull-ups.
Yeah.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was she involves in brackets, which, let's be honest, she's gonna take a while because I've had to do everything. I mean, I've had to plan it all. I've had to assemble it all.
She's had to punch holes in it.
I mean, I've had to do it all.
Yeah.
I had to punch holes in it. I mean, I feel like she's really being a smartass at this point. But
I'm not a smartass.
yeah. But when you have to do everything, I mean, it's exhausting.
Yeah.
It's utterly exhausting. Oh yes, let's talk about the Peanut Gallery. Have you met the Peanut Gallery? Let me introduce you to the Peanut Gallery. Peanut Gallery. Right there. Let me bring her into focus so you can really get a full view of the Peanut Gallery.
Hello.
Oh yeah, look at her being all nice to you guys. Being all nice to you guys. But when we're over here working, where's the Peanut Gallery's over here got hackles. They're like a little, what do they call it, with the comedians where they heckle the comedians. They're a little heckler. So we got a little heckler over here. Yeah, see? This is what I'm talking about. Melissa, see? Already over there clearing her throat, already. Uh-huh. Man. Melissa, I must be honest, I did a great job on that.
You did a great job. I'm so proud of you.
Even though I just told her there was hose, she said this one doesn't have hose. And lo and behold, what did she find but a hoe?
That's not my job.
I
Repeatedly told you that. That's not my job. I've told you that like 400 times now. God.
This is a family-friendly channel, Melissa.
Hey, I'm just saying, I don't find holes. Potholes, other holes, you know, anything. I don't find holes. They're not my job. See, right now I'm having trouble screwing the screw into the hole. It's a problem.
So let me get this straight. Are you calling your sister a hoe?
Scruffy, you wanna go outside?
See what happens when Boof's not around? She gets called names.
Crazy.
Boof suddenly becomes a hoe. Hey guys, we got this all assembled. We do want to put legs on it, but I must admit, all in all, it come along very nicely. Please note, don't use a rubber mallet if you can at all help it, because there's a reason why. But all in all, it does look cute. Now we're actually going to take this guy, because Boof likes it also. And we're going to see if it fits in the spot we would like to put it. And if it does, we may steal it from her sister and just buy her a new one.
I hate it.
It's so odd that we bought this piece for Melissa and her son, and yet somehow we're assessing it in our own home on whether or not we want it. Weird how those things happen.
Yeah.
So weird. Don't hate me,
Yeah.
but I have an idea.
Okay.
Boof's not here right now,
Right.
but I think she would love this.
Maybe.
And knowing that, you know I always try to make my wife happy.
Right.
Always. It's like my #1 go.
Right.
I think you should not put legs on this.
Right.
Stay with me. And you should leave it right here
Right.
so she can look at it.
Oh.
And if she likes it, we'll keep it.
Oh yeah, sure, no problem. You know, and I feel like that. I'm actually perfectly fine with that.
Okay.
Zeke needs a co-signer on his student loans. You know, he's going to school, so. This bookshelf was kind of just help him get there. But you know, if you want to keep it,
The bookshelf is it.
Yeah.
Cosign?
Yeah. He needs co-signer. Yeah, they won't give 18-year-old student loans.
I really don't think that's a fair comparison.
Well, I'm just saying either that or this goes on my car. We can negotiate. We'll
Okay.
We'll
Whew.
negotiate.
I was getting worried there for a minute now.
But he still does need a co-signer. Just.
I'll talk to Boof. I'm gonna keep that, and we're just gonna let her pay for it. And I mean, she'll never be any wiser, because she's gonna do it for her sister. I mean, her sister's birthday just passed, and I mean, she got her a birthday gift. But
Glenda, do you see Lee's wallet anywhere?
ooh, excuse me, I got to go right now because
Are you sure there's cash?
hold, let me put you down there a second. It's not in there. It's come on, it's over here. I'll show you. I know you're saying to yourself, it's in the
Oh,
box.
You got it back in the box. I really didn't like it. Too big, too big. So let's take it back and let's think of something else. I have some ideas. We can work on those. Don't worry. You want to go back to Home Depot real quick? I'll get the card.
The hell? This living room renovation stuff is not working out in my favor. Not working out at all, folks. Toodles.